talk about the day-to-day work of welders and the fire safety challenges they face. Welders in the welding process. Spark splash. Welding slag temperature is extremely high. This has been the direct cause of many fire accidents. Therefore, they need to use professional welding, fireproof cloth to protect yourself, and surrounding equipment. So, what are the common types of electric welding fireproof cloth? They are acrylic-coated glass fiber cloth, silicone cloth, polyurethane-coated fiberglass cloth, graphite-coated glass fiber cloth, high silica cloth, etc. The main function of these fireproof cloths is to stop the spread of fire, reduce the temperature of the fire source, and protect the personal safety of the welder. It will also affect the effect of fireproof cloth. Of course, when choosing electric welding fireproof cloth, therefore, it is recommended that welders work in. The size of the welding slag and the environment of the fire source are also factors to be considered. Be sure to wear suitable fire masks, gloves, and other protective equipment. The larger the welding slag, the greater the heat generated. At the same time, choose the appropriate type of electric welding fireproof cloth. The more important it is to choose the right fireproof cloth. The environment of the fire source, such as high temperature, humidity, etc., especially in high-risk industries like electric welders, to avoid unnecessary injuries and losses, to reduce the temperature of the fire source and avoid fire accidents. Only by carefully following fire regulations. Please be vigilant at all times.